What is going on, everybody, and welcome to the channel. I got a call from Jeff from Jeff's Auto Body and Custom. He told me that he's painting the frame, so we're gonna go over and check it out and see how it's coming along real quick. But if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, subscribe buttons, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. So here we are at the booth. Let's take a look and see what's going on here. You guys are getting firsthand at what the frame is looking like. Well, everyone, we're going to let Jeff finish up here, and we're going to go on the other side into the mixing booth and get him when he first comes out and get his first reaction. So sit back, hang out, and I'll meet you in the mixing booth. Yo, what's up, brother?
What's up?
How bad is it in there?
Not too bad.
Okay, as soon as you open the door, I can smell it. Well, guys, if you don't know, and if you are new to the channel, this is Jeff from Jeff's Auto Body and Customs behind me. He's the man behind the plan, helping us plan out this SEMA build, along with a couple other A&A auto stores, Apple Hill 4x4, Linex of Williamsport, and Iron Cross Automotive's all involved in this build. So we're gonna let Jeff get finished up here. It looks like he's mixing a few more paint or some more clear up. So when he gets done, we'll get him back out of the booth, and then hopefully we'll give a little tour of what he did to the frame, and I'll see you here in a few minutes. So Jeff, how many coats of clear are we putting on the truck?
Probably going to put three good coats on this frame. Put some Euro base clear on here.
Okay.
Has 3 coats of color, 3 coats of sealer, 3 to 4 coats of clear, and then we'll be in good shape.
Okay,
ready
cool.
to rock and roll.
Now, how long will it be before we can get in there and actually take a look at it?
Probably about an hour.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll let it set up before we can walk around it.
All right. So there you guys go. In an hour, we will be back in the, let it set up like Jeff says, and we're going to go in, and he's going to give us a little walk around of what the frame, and we'll get a nicer look at what it looks like. Guys, Jeff is now done spraying the frame, and we're here looking at it, and I can tell you what a difference does this frame look. And we're going to turn you around here and take a look at it, because the booth is all now cleared out of the smell. Ooh, that smell. I like the smell of clear coat. Well, let me turn you around, and we'll show you what the frame looks like. Here is the color that we are now going with. So Jeff, let's tell the guys again that are just joining the channel the process that what we did.
First of all, we tore the truck apart and we sent the frame up to Bear Valley and had it media blasted after we tore it down. And then when it came back, I prepped the frame, and then we got it into color refinishing here.
Awesome. So we did have it sandblasted or media blasted, so you guys can go back and check out that video. And I'll also post that. But this is the color of what the chassis is going to be. Just show you a little bit here, the axles and stuff. Now, Jeff, how long of a cure time before this is perfectly all cured?
It should be cured in about 2 days, and then we can start assembling the drivetrain and stuff.
Oh, cool. So I'll give you guys a closer look here. And we are going to replace the differential covers. We're going to put chrome ones back on. We just let them on there for the painting process. Take you around and show you the front axle. And we did replace the bottom cups on both sides for the spring mounts,
yep.
The spring purchase.
Yep, the cups in.
Awesome, it's coming out real nice. So, if you guys want to see more of what's going on here, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. I'm also going to put Jeff's Facebook link and all the channel supporters' Facebook link and what information down in the description below. So make sure you hit that up. So this is the color that we are going with the chassis. And if you guys are following the channel, I replaced the plenum gasket in the intake.
Yep.
And now that shows what the engine will look like. So this way, if you guys can start piecing all that stuff together in your mind, you'll have some sort of which direction we're going with this. But once again, subscribe to the channel because we didn't tell them what color we're going to be going with the body.
No, not yet.
Not yet. So that's going to be a surprise there. Well, till next time, I'm Joe. This is Jeff. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Just Auto Body and Customs and Wicked Fabz.